How to log in to your Proton Mail account on Android. This tutorial shows you how to access your Proton Mail account through the app. First, open the Proton Mail app or website on your Android device. From there, tap on Menu on the top right and Sign In to proceed to the login screen. At this point, enter your Proton Mail username or email address in the first field. From there, tap on the password field and enter your password. After that, tap on Sign In to log into your account. In the next step, if you have two-factor authentication enabled, you will be prompted to enter a verification code from your Authenticator app. From there, open your Authenticator app and enter the code in the field provided. Then tap on Confirm to complete the login. Once done, you will be taken to your Proton Mail inbox, where you can read and manage your emails. Following this, if you have forgotten your password, tap on Forgot Password on the login screen and follow the steps to reset it. From here, keep in mind that Proton Mail uses end-to-end encryption, so if you lose access to your recovery options, account recovery may be limited. Make sure your recovery email or phrase is saved somewhere safe. At this stage, if you do not have the Proton Mail app installed, open the Play Store and search for Proton Mail and install the official app from there. After this, once installed, open the app and sign in using the steps above. Finally, once logged in, confirm your inbox is loading correctly and your emails are accessible. And that's it. If this guide helped you log into your Proton Mail account, give it a like, subscribe for more Android tutorials, and tap the bell icon for updates. See you in the next one.